Hello everyone! In today's video, we will see how to create a template in Capcut PC. So, let's get into it. I have already opened Google Chrome on my PC screen. To start the process, type capcut.com in the search bar and enter. Open the official website, which will look like this. Before you start creating a template, make sure you are already logged into the Capcut website. If you want to create a template from scratch, then from the left top, click on Create Template to proceed. Or you can customize the existing one. Let's navigate to the template to open pre-existing templates. On this page, if you scroll down, you will see there are hundreds of trending templates that you can explore. These are totally free to use. You can explore these templates by selecting a specific category. You can select any category from this bar related to your choice. Let's select a template to open and customize it. Once you select the template, a pop-up will open on the screen. In this new tab, click over Use this template. It will redirect you to a new window where you can edit the selected template. Click on this icon on the existing file. It will allow you to replace all these existing files with a new one from your computer device. You can use images or videos and customize them according to your needs. Once everything is done, export it and use it on social media to share it with your family and friends. I hope this video has been helpful. For more informative content, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.